Hello class, in this video I'll be talking about the intercepts of a polynomial function. Let's begin. Later in this section you'll be asked to sketch the graph of a polynomial function, and in order to do that you must be able to identify the horizontal and vertical intercepts. And I'll start with the horizontal intercepts. Let f be any polynomial function and c be any real number. If one of these statements is true, then all are true. C is a real zero of f of x. This means C is a solution to the equation f of x is equal to 0, which means f of C is equal to 0. C is a horizontal intercept of the graph of f of x. The point c, 0 is on the graph of f of x. And finally, x minus c is a factor of f of x. Now I'll introduce the multiplicity of a real zero. Let c be a real zero of a polynomial function. If the quantity x minus c raised to the k power is a factor of the polynomial function, then k is the multiplicity of the real zero. So now let's talk about the vertical intercept. Let f of x be a polynomial function. The constant term is the vertical intercept of the graph of a polynomial function, because the constant term is the number obtained by evaluating f of 0. Now let's take a look at an example. Find all real zeros, their multiplicities, and the vertical intercept of the polynomial function b of x. So I'm going to start by finding the real zeros. So I want to solve the equation b of x is equal to 0. So I'm going to set the polynomial function equal to 0 and factor out a negative x squared. The trinomial factors as x minus 6 times x plus 1. And now I'm going to set each of the factors equal to 0. For the first equation on the left, if negative x squared is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to 0. For the equation in the middle, x minus 6 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 6. And for the equation on the right, x plus 1 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to negative 1. So now that we have all of the real zeros, let's identify the multiplicities. For x is equal to 0, the exponent of the factor is 2. So the multiplicity of 0 is 2. For x is equal to 6, the exponent of the factor x minus 6 is 1. So the multiplicity is 1. So for x is equal to 6, the multiplicity is 1. And for x is equal to negative 1, again, the factor has an exponent of 1, so the multiplicity is 1. Now for the vertical intercept. To find the vertical intercept, we need to evaluate b of 0. And in this case, b of 0 is going to be 0. So the vertical intercept is 0, 0. And we are done.